Agriculture is highly dependent on soil fertility and nutrients availability. For example, it used 20-30 million tons of phosphorus annually over the last 30 years, largely coming from outside the European Union. Phosphate fertilizers used in the European Union do contain cadmium impurities, which accumulate in soil. The use of recycled sources is a way to address security of supply, improve soil conditions, and limit cadmium pollution. A similar consume of potassium fertilizers and a higher nitrogen consume are registered. Fertilizers are currently responsible for between 40 and 60% of the world's food supply. The major nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, are elements that occur naturally in the environment but are removed with the harvested crop, providing nutritional value to the foods we eat. Fertilizers replenish the soil with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and other nutrients to promote abundant crops for food production. The world market of chemical fertilizers is extremely large, but it has a heavy impact on the environment, and it's characterized by a widespread demand and a very concentrated offer. The main objective of the Resafe project is to demonstrate the production and use of fertilizers characterized by reduced salinity in order to substitute chemical and mineral fertilizers through a technological route based on urban organic waste, biochar, and farm organic residue processing. Following this approach, it is thus possible for farmers and urban waste managers to reduce costs and to obtain environmental and economic incomes. That is, an important material recovery, and a further economic benefit due to the obtained fertilizers. Environmental impact will be also significantly reduced, contributing to decrease greenhouse emissions from landfills. The new Resafe procedures will set fresh benchmarks and open new scenarios in the treatment and recycling of bio-waste, clearly demonstrating as it represents a high-quality, environmentally sustainable and economically feasible alternative to the use of chemicals. The development of the Resafe project will produce several positive impacts at environmental level. Resafe will produce as primary effect a reduced utilization of mineral fertilizers and chemicals in agriculture, since the nutrients required for fertilization will be obtained naturally from urban organic waste, farm organic residues, and biochar through the use of complex enzymatic mixtures. Each of the three previously mentioned components has a strong environmental added value. That is, urban organic waste is constantly produced by all human activities, so, as a source of nutrients, besides being reliable, it is also eco-friendly. Its use for fertilization's purposes means diverting waste from landfill disposal. Farm organic residues presents the same problem. It is often a major issue for European farmers, since its disposal is complex and expensive. Biochar utilization can directly reduce the global impact of farming. If used as a fertilizing component, it improves water quality, increases soil fertility, and raises agriculture productivity. For these reasons, biochar significantly increases plant growth and improves the efficiency of nitrogen fertilizers. Additionally, the biochar enhances soils, improving its mechanical characteristics, fertility, and productivity. The partner who gave their contribution to this important result are Dipartimento Ingegneria Chimica, Materiali e Ambiente, Sapienza Università di Roma, DICMA, which deals with the hyperspectral and environmental tests, and which acted as project coordinator. The National Agency for the New Technologies, Energy and Sustainable Development, ENEA, expert in waste analysis and validation and material recycling technologies. Astra, Innovazione e Sviluppo, Agenzia per la sperimentazione tecnologica e la ricerca agroalimentare, specialized in the agriculture sector, which was responsible of the Italian Resafe experimentation and application in field. Centro de Afología y Biología Aplicada del Seguro of the Spanish National Research Council, working in the scientific research field and specialized in the agriculture sector, which was responsible of the Spanish Resafe experimentation and application in field. ENIA, RDI Limited, a Cyprus Innovation Center specialized in the agriculture sector, which was responsible of the Cypriot Resafe experimentation and application in field. Resafe actions were carried out to demonstrate the production and use of reduced salinity fertilizers, that is, a demonstration plan to show as different recipes based on products resulting from recycled treated organic waste and biocars, added with vegetable active principles for obtaining a new class of fertilizers.